Hi, this is David Comfort from Democracy Action Network. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Since his second inauguration, Donald Trump has led a relentless assault on the rule of law, transforming the United States into what some might call an emerging autocracy. This is honestly crazy, but not entirely surprising, given how the Supreme Court has paved the way for this alarming shift. Ever notice how we often hear reassurances that our system of checks and balances will keep any president in line? Well, the reality is that the Supreme Court has laid the groundwork for Trump's current power grab. Let's dive into some jaw-dropping examples. Recently, Trump ordered the extrajudicial killing of 11 individuals in the Caribbean, claiming they were involved in drug trafficking. Legal experts and human rights organizations have called this a blatant violation of international law. Yet, thanks to the Supreme Court's decisions, particularly in cases like Trump versus United States and Hernandez versus Mesa, it seems that the president is largely untouchable. Imagine a world where a president can order lethal force without any oversight or accountability. This isn't just a slippery slope, it's a full-on plunge into a legal abyss. The implications are staggering. The court's ruling in Trump versus United States grants the president absolute immunity for actions deemed part of his official duties, creating a shield that makes it nearly impossible to hold him accountable for illegal acts. This isn't just an erosion of checks and balances. It's a complete dismantling of the principle that no one is above the law. What if I told you that the judiciary is now essentially saying that the president can act with impunity even when the law is broken? This pattern reveals a chilling reality. We are witnessing the annulment of law as a constraint on executive power. The court has effectively created a special zone around the presidency where illegal actions can go unpunished. It's a profound betrayal of our democratic ideals. The framers of the Constitution never intended for the presidency to be an unchecked office. So, where do we go from here? While Congress could theoretically pass laws to clarify that no one, including the president, is immune from accountability, such efforts face fierce opposition. Reforming the judiciary itself is a hot topic, but many Democrats are hesitant to take such drastic steps. In the meantime, the message is clear. If the courts will not intervene, and if there are no consequences for unlawful actions, then we are left with governance without accountability. It's time we recognize the urgency of this situation and work together to restore the rule of law before it slips further from our grasp. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It would help out a lot. Peace.